Hi guys, how you going? This is a real quick, real long-term review of the Skywatcher Star Adventure 2i. Before we start, I just want to mention I bought this mount with my own money for my own use. Also, if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Now this is out of the way, let's get started. This mount for me has really had its up and downs. While this is an amazing mount that's great for people getting started into the hobby, there are a few important things to consider. As I've been using this mount for quite some time now, it's held out really well, and has helped me yield amazing results, such as what you can see on the screen. The first kind of negative that I wanted to point out is more on the aesthetic side, but it's something I feel like Skywatcher could change and improve upon, and that's the saddle for the deck bracket. More specifically, the screw that holds it in. If you look carefully in this photo, you can see where the screw has actually started digging into the bracket. I personally feel like if Skywatcher used a softer surface on the end of the screw, this problem would be avoided. This is a rather small issue and isn't something to be super concerned about. It's just a small detail I'd like to see be fixed. It's kind of just something I've seen in the long term. The next thing I wanted to talk about is a big positive of this mount, and that's that it's super portable and easy to set up. I often find myself leaving my whole setup already together and just move it outside when I want to use it, because again this mount is so small and light. It's fun to take camping with friends and have a blast doing some astrophotography in the great outdoors. The second thing that has found itself to be quite annoying, especially from dark skies, is the lack of an inbuilt polar scope illuminator. It's incredibly annoying sometimes, but it hasn't stopped me from getting good polar alignment. For example, I took this photo of the Carina Nebula using 5-minute long exposures, guided, but only in right ascension. As you can see, there isn't really any visible star trailing. That leads me on to my next positive for this mount, is that when you pair it with guiding, even though it can only guide in right ascension, it does so very well. I find that if I get really good polar alignment, I can easily get good quality 5-minute plus subs with wide field refractors, such as my Askar FMA 180 Pro, which is a telescope I personally use on this mount. Anyway guys, that's all I had to say for this mount. It's an amazing mount really. I've been using it for a while and I'll definitely keep using it for a long time, as long as it keeps working. But thank you for sticking around, and yeah, if you guys like this video, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.